Okay, so today we'll be doing the phase equilibrium. So for this question, we're going to solve the FeFe3 diagram. So we need to take a look for the question for the 99.6 weightage of ferrum and 0.4 of carbon. So basically we need to take a look at the graph over here, and then we know that the x-axis is in carbon, so that's why from 0.4 we know from here need to put a straight line over here, and then we know this is the eutectoid line because it's already fixed. And then what we need to do, we need to take a look for the question ferrite. So we know the cementite of ferrite is, the line is over here, and then to know the amount for the ferrite is we need to take a distance over here over the total distance from this point to this point. Okay, so that's what I'm doing over here. 0.4 is the distance from here. If we minus it with the 0.022, it is here. So, and then we divide with the distance from ferrite, this point, to the cementite. So 6.7 minus 0.022 times 100 is equal to 5.9 gram. And then if we need to know these, which is ferrite, we just minus with 100 gram with this one, and we get the composition for ferrite. Okay, for the next question is the amount of perlite and proeutectoid ferrite. Okay, perlite is over here, same as what we did before. If you want to know the composition over here, we need to take this distance divide with this distance. Okay, so that's mean the distance from ferrite to the point where we have here divide with the distance from ferrite to perlite. So 0.4 minus 0.022, 0.4 minus 0.022 divide with 0.67 minus 0.022. We get the perlite. So next is the proeutectoid ferrite. Proeutectoid ferrite is this one. Okay, so that's but we already know this composition, so what we need to do, just minus 100 with 51.2 gram. Okay, so we got here is 48.8 gram